Dylan just ran over a bag of bottles and cans.
I knew I was gonna do that too. Dang.
Saturday morning, I'm going grocery shopping. Dylan's going to mow his grandma's lawn.
Where's my hair?
In the bedroom, I think. You weren't in last night.
Oh my god. Sorry.
Yeah, it's like 7:35 and got my coffee. I have so much stuff to literally just go to the grocery store. I have my coffee, I have my water, I have my granola bar, and I have our reusable bags. Because you can bring those again. And I got, I don't know if is that a bug? Not anymore. I don't know if I showed this in a vlog, but we got like come on. See, this is why this isn't really effective. We got the little like reusable produce bags. So you can just put them in there and it'll be good. So, and these are, I guess the type is eco-wear. I don't know. That's just what it says. And they're machine washable, I guess. So you can just like throw them in the wash. You losing it? Phone's right here.
I know that.
What are you looking for? Alright, he's lost it. I don't know what he's looking for, but Saturday morning, it's cold. I'm gonna put on a podcast. Dylan kind of likes the skinny come. Oh, I want to listen to Gretchen's. That's the vibe. About her moving to Pennsylvania.
Nobody, it's just me. It's like today we're. Hey everyone, and welcome to this week's episode of Happy Hour. Today.
Alright, it is much later. 1, 2, 3. Babe.
Wow.
1, 2, 3. I see that all the time. I'm going with all of my things again to go to Target.
It's a marathon.
And TJMaxx! I'm so excited. Dylan doesn't want to go.
Play video games.
He's gonna stay home and take the AC out.
And take the AC.
But I have an iced coffee now, some water. I'm pale as a polar bear. Isn't their skin black underneath though?
What was that last part?
Isn't their skin black, like dark underneath?
I have no idea.
Oh. I scraped off all my self-tanner because I'm gonna tan tonight. It was like nasty. Like you literally like rubbed it with the washcloth and it all just like started piecing off. Like it was getting bad.
Lovely.
Yeah, it was cute. But I'm gonna head out. I just wanted to tell you that. Alright, sure. I'm back home and I think I may have found the baskets that will work. I went with black, even though I told everyone I didn't want black. But let's see. Oh geez, they're all fastened in. Okay.
Drum roll, please.
It had like a gray kind, but it was like weird. Gotta take this stuff out first. Boom.
Boom shakalaka. That's a perfect fit.
Yeah, I mean it could be taller, but like the
That's
length
smart.
is like perfect.
I think that'll be like, that's like the perfect height for those.
The bottom one?
Yep.
Yeah, so we're just gonna throw all our stuff in here. Why do we have so many things? Upside's great. Summer's over now. What are we gonna do with them? I didn't really I got like underwear and a candle. Oh, I got this. First Aid Beauty. They had a bunch of First Aid Beauty stuff there. This was 10 bucks. And it's one of their masks and they had a few others. But I just went with one and I really like First Aid Beauty stuff. There we go. So I just got this little pumpkin spice candle. Good morning guys, it is Sunday now. And Dylan went to, why do I look weird? What is this? So Dylan went to play basketball and I am not gonna work out today. I just don't want to. So I'm gonna have some coffee and actually I'm gonna make some coffee and get some work done and then get ready because I'm going to get acai bowls with my friend Julia. You guys know Julia. We actually have a busy day, and then Dylan's family is doing like a get together at 1, and I don't know if I'm gonna be able to go to that or not. I might go late, and then we're having my brother over for dinner. So I'm gonna make minestrone soup. So fall of me. But I need to get some work done because tomorrow is Labor Day, and Dylan doesn't have to work, so we're gonna like take the day to. What is that? We're gonna like take the day to hang out and I think we're gonna go to the driving range. But it's Sunday. I slept in, aka I slept till 7 instead of 6. I self-tanned yesterday. Yeah, we just had a few friends over last night and played some games and it was really fun. Because I definitely stopped vlogging. But yeah, I'm gonna get some work done, drink some coffee, and enjoy my Sunday morning. I did a little work. Why is this not focused? Alright, I did a little work and then just showered and got ready. And I'm gonna go like blow dry my hair a little bit so that it's not sopping wet. time is it? 10:30. I need to leave in like 15 minutes. Okay, so I just did like the little front pieces. And now it's 10:41, so I'm gonna brush my teeth and get my shoes on and head out the door. Julie lives 10 minutes away from me now. I'm so excited. I'm gonna go see her new apartment. And yeah, she used to, like, I moved in here and she was even closer to me than we were like before. Like right here, she's literally like a minute and a half away from me, whereas before she was like probably 3 minutes away. So I'm gonna brush my teeth and then head over. Just got to Julie's apartment and it's so cute. So cute. We're gonna go walk and get balls. But Julie's back there. Her living room's adorable. It's so cute. Got the bowls and the coffee. Alright, look at this. Isn't this cute? I just picked these two things up at TJMaxx when I went to return something. And I think it's just really cute and simple, but like, still like, we're celebrating fall, you know? And then I may have also gotten a sweater. Because yesterday I saw it when I was there and they had it only in a large. And then today I walked in and it was the first thing I saw in a small. And it's like so dang cute. Can you tell I like white and gray? But it's really cute. So I got it. Yeah. It was only like 25 bucks. Come on. Come on. It's so cute. All right, I'm gonna start prepping minestrone soup. Actually, I'm gonna have a snack first. Then I'm gonna start prepping the soup because Tim's coming over at 5:30. This is just like a vibe. I'm gonna start the soup prep, and because you have to like simmer it for 45 minutes. So I'm just gonna start now and like chop everything. But it calls for 2 carrots, so I just did like a big one and 1.5 little ones. Onion, 2 zucchinis, 2 celery. Hopefully someone will eat this celery because I should have just got like the individual stalks, but I got this whole thing because I hate celery, but I do like it in soup. And then these carrots, I'll use the rest in our stir fry this week. But I'm just gonna chop all this up for now, and then you like start to add it to a pan. Tim's here for dinner.
Hello.
We got salad over there. We're gonna dig in. We made some rolls.